Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: app updated, signed in, and background permissions allowed. Open the YouTube Music or YouTube app and pick the track or playlist you want. Tap play and immediately switch to the home screen. Do not lock yet. Once done, open your device settings and locate battery or app management to exempt YouTube from aggressive sleep. This ensures the app can continue audio tasks when the screen turns off, which is crucial on modern power-saving systems. Now configure playback behavior so audio persists. On Android, enable background play or picture-in-picture and toggle unrestricted battery use for YouTube. This prevents the OS from pausing streams. On iOS, start the track, lock the phone, then use the Control Center play button to resume audio. This often forces background streaming. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi stays active in your connectivity settings, otherwise playback can drop when the device sleeps. These steps align app permissions with system power. Finish by testing. Play a song, lock the screen, and confirm audio continues. If it does, you're done. If not, reopen the app and check battery optimization again, then reapply the unrestricted setting. Also clear the app cache or reboot the device if permissions seem correct but playback stutters. One key troubleshooting tip: disable aggressive power savers or task killer apps. These are the usual culprits when audio halts with the screen off. Make the minimal permission changes needed. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.